How was my YouTube channel? You are the motivators. How was it? Any comments you can give me? On my face. Hey, ma'am, it's not nice. It's really okay. Not to my expectation. Please give your comments. No comments, huh? Because of recording? Oh, I'll stop recording. You'll give me your comments. Oh, what is this? Corporate tax is coming. Oh my God. Okay. Yes. What is our subject? Financial accounting, right? And analysis. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody else. Yeah. You're able to see? Are you able to view my subject?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You want it more in a better aspect, or is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Session is good? Okay. Okay, fine, fine. So we are going ahead with our class. I got a WhatsApp. Who's this? Okay, I don't think I need to see all that right now. Okay, I'm closing my WhatsApps. Fine. Class is more important. Let's start. Hi, how are you all? Hope you are all fine, and welcome to the second class on 28th July. We will go ahead with the class about talking about the concepts of financial accounting. I hope you have checked my in the course plan. I had given you two YouTube links, which I asked you to go through about financial accounting and other aspects. What is financial accounting and other things. So we will learn right now all the concepts in this particular class. So my name, you know very well, my name is Deepa Damodaran. I do not write always Dr. Deepa, but now I started writing it. Okay, now going back into business organization. Financial accounting, business organization. Why business organization? Your house is a business organization in your life. Yeah. Are you you're able to see the slide, right? Or should I make it slideshow?
We can see.
Full screen better.
Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now getting back into this first slide of financial accounting, what is a business organization generally? Of course, in business organization, what I have said is it's to earn a profit. Yeah. Now going back to your house organization, that is also a business organization. Your house is a business organization in your life. Yeah. Your mother, your father, and you. Three people at the house. What is happening in the house? Yeah. Father gives the salary to your mother. Mother makes sure that she's really planning for the whole month of your calculation. Yeah, the whole month of your calculation is happening in the house about eating, about entertainment, about your clothing, about your fees, about all the aspects. That is called as a business organization. And Monday to Friday, Monday to Sunday, she has to cook. So that planning is also happening. That's again a business organization. Yeah, whether okay, one day if suppose we need to really go and have in a restaurant, for that also an expenses is being kept in a different position. Yeah, she says okay, this month this much expenses happen, so this much only I can spend. So this is what you'd have seen all your plannings happening in your house. Yeah. And This is a general aspect. I would like to come out of the subject and give you an aspect, which is nothing but talking about every aspect in life, from your childhood to so far till date. Whatever expenses happening is done by your parents, which is being scheduled in a proper way. Yeah. Now, even taking a decision of joining at VIT in the MBA online classes was a decision and as well as in Chennai campus, it was a decision of your parents and you. Both of you consult each other, and we are coming and joining. You're comparing the fees with other institutes, and what are we going to get benefit from VIT? We are all looking at it. This is the aspect, right? From your side, yes or no? Can I have an answer from your side? You're all looking anxiously, right? You're waiting for an
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
from VIT, yeah? So that is the particular
Yes, ma'am.
aspect of business organization. So what is business organization? And in the slide, what it says is business organization is nothing but, yeah, it's a goods and services in order to earn a profit. What is my concept of coming here and to earn a profit? I need to get a good placement. I need to get either knowledge from the particular institute or from the particular teacher. Connectivity is very important. So that is the aspect of business organization. Yeah, that's as a customer, this is what you will expect. Yeah, business organization is goods and services in order to earn a profit. Goods have form and substances, and the seller of goods physically transfer them to buyer. Nothing but examples are day-to-day usage, guys. Soaps, pens, computers, cars, and medicines are examples of the goods that we use every day. I need more of interactions on this class. Do not take a slide photograph and keep it. I will share this PPT to you. Don't worry about it. Yeah. So kindly make sure that you are listening and interacting in my class. Business organization is that particular concept. Any other aspect of explanation you would like to have from my side? Can I have an answer? Have you understood what is a business organization?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Have you all
Yes, ma'am.
understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
On a
Yes,
day-to-day
ma'am.
basis, okay? On a day-to-day basis, whatever goods and services are being transformed, that is called as a business organization. Business organization is nothing but to earn a profit. Business organization is nothing but to earn a profit. Okay, making it very clear. The next particular aspect of business organization is three types: merchandise or trading organization, manufacturing organization, and service organization. I always start from the last and first up. Service organization is nothing but an educational institution, hospitals, ITC, what is that? ITC CRY organization is there. That's again a service organization. Yeah, hospitals, what are they doing? They're doing a service. Yeah, service to the complete hospital is really doing a service right now in this particular pandemic period for many patients, right? Now, too much of service is happening for past 3 years. Am I right? We are really seeing the medical organization going in a boom in the share market. Yeah, many price tags. Every rate is high in medical field nowadays. Yeah, so that is one of the aspect of business organization where service is happening. The next is the CRY organization. How do I give an explanation of the CRY organization? CRY organization is something which is really helping the poor children inside that organization to give them the best education in the field of where the villages or in other aspects where they do not have that particular background to bring them up. Is that correct? What I gave you my explanation about CRY organization, or do you have any explanation on that? Can I have an answer from your side, please? Can I have an answer from your side? Guys, are you there? What is CRY organization? You're able to see here? Yeah.
Yes.
Child rights for you.
Okay. What is that's all child rights? That's it? Can I have a very good explanation on what the CRY organization of ITC is doing?
It helps the children who are in this organization for a better education in which the villagers are interested.
Exactly. Yeah. So that every shop has got that box, right? It's going to Cry organization. You put some donation there, and it is going really to the students who are really not able to buy their books, pens, their textbooks, and everything, and they're really taking care of their educations. Yeah. So that is a particular aspect of the service. That's again a service organization, which we always say that we have to really develop every Indian citizen in this world. So that's called service organization. Yeah, there are three examples which I gave you. One is education institute, hospitals, and your Cry organization is also can be told as an example. Manufacturing organization. Yeah. What is a manufacturing organization? An organization where they really manufacture a particular aspect. Yeah, you people have seen so much of PPTs and so many things in the previous classes, which where your training happened for about a week. So you know what is a manufacturing organization where a production of aspect is started. Yeah, I can give you an example of Hyundai. I can give you an example of Ford organization where car is manufactured. Where then what else is there? What are the other examples we have? Manufacturing organization, many cloth industries. Yeah, where the fiber net and everything, everywhere, every aspect of a manufacturing, where a Nokia mobile is getting manufactured. Yeah, that's closed right now. Yeah, Samsung, wherever, any mobile, whatever is getting created, every aspect, even a Lenovo laptop is getting manufactured in the industry where the organization has been kept. Yes, the same way car magnum, for an example, Hyundai. Hyundai is always number one for so long. Yeah, and the Hyundai organizations, how their car manufacturing has happened in every different sector, they really make sure that the organization is planned and occupied. And now, suppose I have to rake the body. Body is one place. Painting is another place. The door assembling is another point. The glass assembling is in another place. So every sector is changed. Yeah, so body is being created in one part, and the glass manufacturing has happened in one part, and at last it comes as a very nice beautiful car. That's again another type of a manufacturing setup. Okay, so one of this example is manufacturing organization. Trading organization. What are the two types of trading?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, the slideshow is stuck in second slide, I think so.
I am in the second slide only.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm in the second slide. I have not given, I don't give full definition on this particular thing.
Because last class it was stuck in second slide.
I never showed you last class slide.
No, ma'am, last hour.
Oh, okay.
The problem was
fine.
there, ma'am.
Okay. Now this is in the second slide only. This is in the third slide. Three types of business organization. Are you all able to see my slide?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's a particular aspect. So manufacturing organization, Hyundai and Ford. Fine. So the next one is trading organization. What are the two different types of trading organization in India? Can I have an answer in the bulk? Take out the mic and answer to my question. What are the two different trading organization? Can I have an answer?
BSc,
NSDC.
Very
NS
good. Who's this person who
NSDC.
told me? Who's this person who told me? BSc and NSc? Huh?
Srinivasan.
Srinivasan. Okay, Srinivasan and who told me NSc? Jay Ganesh.
Actually,
Which Jay Ganesh? Oh,
I
my
have told
proxy.
NSDC, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Fine. No problem. You can give your chat message immediately in the class. Okay. Yeah. Whoever gave me an answer. Srinivas and Jay Ganesh, you can. That's another way of selecting you people from the for how your class participation is. So immediately you give your answer in the chat box. So Jay Ganesh and Srinivas gave me an option of saying NSC and BSc. Srinivas, my question to you is, what does NSDL? NSDC. What is NSDC? What is NSDC, Jay Ganesh?
National Skill Development Corporation.
National Skill Development.
Ma'am, Bombay Stock Exchange and the National Stock Exchange.
Okay, Srinivas, can you give me an explanation of Bombay Stock Exchange and what do they do? Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange, Srinivas?
Ma'am, no idea, ma'am.
An MBA student?
Ma'am,
Yes, Srinivas.
Ma'am?
Yes, yeah. Somebody saying man. Calendar,
BSc
yeah.
is Bombay Stock Exchange, which was about Sensex. And the
Yes.
NSE National Stock Exchange is Nifty.
Very good, very good, very good, Kalanda. That's a way you have to give an answer. What he has told us, very clear answer. Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange is completely related to share markets and other particular aspect where you will be able to know how the market is going for each and every organization. Yeah, Economic Times is one of the paper which you all MBA students have to read. The yellow paper, dirty paper. Yeah, yellow color is one of the paper which you have to really read. The last 3 pages, which really you have to go ahead. BSE is for Sensex and NSE is for Nifty. Yes, exactly. That is the particular aspect which you really have to really read in the paper. Which company's share market is high, which company's mutual fund is better, where I can do my investment. This is what is talking about trading organization in the particular slide which I gave you, my PPT, my third slide, which is talking about business organization. Are you clear with what is business organization? Can I go with my next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. The next slide is about forms of business organization. There are 3 different forms of business organization. One is sole proprietor, second is partnership, third is limited company. Under limited company, you have public and private. Yeah, so sole proprietor is a single man's ownership. Yeah, he is the person who really takes care of the complete organization, and he is only the person who's earning the profit and everything. Yeah, can I have an example for sole proprietor organization in in India? What are the sole proprietor organization? Who's the one sole proprietor which you can give me in industry? Are you having an answer for it? Anybody? Reliance is a sole proprietor. Think and give me an answer.
Tata, ma'am.
Tata. Tata is
Coca-Cola
a
is a sole proprietorship, ma'am.
who?
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola, the sole proprietorship.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very sure.
I guess. Sure.
I guess no. I need an answer with
Kingfisher,
a proper.
ma'am.
Coca-Cola is a public limited company.
Kingfisher is an airplane, right?
Ma'am, all shopkeepers are a sole proprietorship, ma'am.
Wow, that is a very nice answer. Who gave me that?
I'm
Who gave
Arun,
me?
ma'am.
Huh?
Arun.
Arun, that's a very nice answer which you have really told me that all shopkeepers who are individual, who are a sole proprietor. Exactly, that is the answer which I expected from you guys. That's a very nice answer. A person, what will he say for that grocery man? Yeah, he's kept the shops. We all go into a very big high funda shops, right? Supermarkets. Yeah, who's that grocery man called as in Tamil? Maligakadekaran. Very good. That's what. That is a very nice answer. That is a person who's really a sole proprietor. Yeah, கஷ்டப்பட்டு வேர்வேல பண்ற சாரி தமிழ்ல சொல்லக்கூடாது சாரி who is really taking a lot of difficulty in freelancer. Ganesh Balaji is given a different answer. Freelancer. What is this freelancer? Ganesh Balaji, can I have an answer from you? Ganesh Balaji. Ganesh Balaji, unmute yourself and answer. He's not giving me any answer. How is a freelancer connected with a sole proprietor? I will type. Okay. I will type and we will wait, ma'am. Okay. Yeah, please. So sole proprietor is one of that particular aspect where a person running a shop on a single-handed. On a single-handed setup is a person where really go ahead with a particular aspect of the job. Yeah, he who earns 72 students are present. I'll download that in it. Yeah, so that is the particular aspect of sole proprietor. Yeah, fine. Are you getting my point? And Ganesh Balaji's answer is come. No, yet to come. It's not come. Yeah. It's not given, right? Freelancers are not employees for any company. They will get work for money. Yeah, agreed. Yeah, that is also one particular aspect. Sole proprietor is one particular thing. Okay, I agree with your points also. Yeah, I don't have any argument on that. Okay, who's a partnership? Partnership is Reliance. Am I right? What you gave me an option in the previous sole proprietor example. Partnership is Reliance. It's a partnership firm, right? Don't you think it's a partnership firm with two brothers?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to come back saying which is a partnership firm. It's Reliance is a partnership firm. Many other organizations which are really amalgamated together are there. Mahindra and Satyam. Yeah, Satyam organization, Mahindra and Satyam. Mahindra Satyam is a partnership firm. Yeah, so many organizations are there as a partnership where they really fall into find out what is happening on a particular organization. So many banks are given a partnership right now. Indian banks, many have got Allahabad Bank,
LBC and DSB, ma'am.
Yeah.
Lakshmi Vilas Bank and DSB.
Yeah, Lakshmi Vilas Bank and DSB, right? Yeah, they have merged together like that. Indian Bank and Allahabad Bank is also merged like that. So many banks are getting into mergers of partnership and other things. So now there will be a lot of once when I was working in IDBI, the IDBI organization and the IDBI bank got merged. IDBI, they were only having a lot of NPA and all the things where they were giving loans and all the other organization. Here it was a bank where it got merged and now IDBI Limited it has become. Yeah, so those type of an organizations are also merging up. Whereas next concept is limited company, private, public. Public company, you can give me a lot of examples. Can I have an example from your side immediately?
Reliance
Or-
is a public.
Huh?
Public Reliance, ma'am.
Only Reliance is there.
BSNL, ma'am.
BSNL, very good.
BSNL, ma'am.
BSNL is a very good example.
Unilever, ma'am.
What are the other
Hindustan
examples?
Unilever.
Public limited
SBI.
company.
BHEL. Indian
All
Oil, ma'am.
companies which are listed
Indian Oil,
in
very
BSE
good,
and
very nice.
SAIL. Coal India, ma'am.
Yeah. Coca,
Coal India.
Some tube products of India.
Oh, very good, very good. That's really nice. What are the private companies?
Flipkart, ma'am.
Very good. Private companies come under Flipkart? Yes. Flipkart is a private company?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Amazon? What about Amazon?
Amazon, Ola.
Ola. Very good. That's a very nice that everybody is reading something, some bit of news articles. Yeah. Good. Do not read it in Android. Start reading in the in your hand. Take your paper. Start reading. Yeah. So these are the. I think I don't. You don't have any doubts on all these things. What is a business organization? I told you. Earn a profit. Here I gave you 3 types of business organization. Trading, manufacturing, service. Here I gave you the forms of business organization, sole proprietorship, partnership, limited company. So are you clear with what is the private and public limited companies? So that's where you get. Now we are getting into our syllabus. What do accounting try to do? Demand for information. Yeah. What is financial accounting you are going to study is talking about. Financial accounting is something which is primarily outside the company. Yeah. What am I going to buy? I'm buying a soap, I'm buying a pen, I'm buying a notebook, everything is outside. Primarily to people outside the company. Yeah. Provides information outside. Whatever is happening outside, I get the information. Yeah. And it is it also provides to attract capital, equity, credit from suppliers, customers, employees. Everything we get to know. Financial accounting is outside, completely outside transactions. Yeah. Managerial accounting is inside the organization. Yeah. Now, for an example, inside the organization, my performance incentive, my salary, how much hike have I happened, so many days and so many years I've been working. Yeah, all that is called the managerial accounting inside the organization, internal investment decision. Yeah, so that is a particular aspect of managerial accounting. Tax accounting, yeah, tax accounting, after getting my salary, what am I going to do? I have to pay tax to the government for the road tax, for the corporation tax, water tax, property tax, everything. All these taxes have to be paid and have to be utilizing all these particular aspects. So that is called as a tax accounting. Yeah, so these are the three types of accounting informations which you are going to learn in your life forever. Yeah, even in your trimesters you will learn about tax accounting and corporate tax and everything. So we will be dealing with many more aspects who are coming with a finance stream. Yeah, financial accounting, management accounting, tax accounting. Are you clear with my slide number 5? Are you clear with my slide number 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Need for accounting. What is the need for accounting? Accounting is a language of business. Yeah, nothing but today I have opened a tea shop. Yeah, don't assume that I am going to open a tea shop. It's just an example. Yeah, morning I open a tea shop and I am serving a tea to the customers. Yeah, that's again a language of business. What and all I have to do. Yeah, every step I have to clean. How to make a tea, I should know. What are the things I need to give when I'm giving my tea to the customer? That is again a language. Yeah, every aspect I have to see, and how much my tea will be for a particular person. Yeah, what is the rate of the one tea in my shop? Everything I have to, whether it's 10 rupees, 15 rupees, 20 rupees, 25 rupees, or 50 rupees, or 70 rupees. What is my tea, value of my tea? Yeah, for my particular shop. Yeah, so that is called as a language of business. Yeah, he really keeps a track. What in a petty shop, everything he really keeps a tracks. It's actually, I bought this many kilo of rice. This much kilo of rice is sold taken by the customer. So now I have the balance. This is called as a language of business. The basic function of this business is to communicate. Communication is one of the important aspect of this business. Are you getting it? It also results in various types of operations. Yeah, it comes to know about the proprietor, you know, the creditor. Okay, I have a customer who has to pay me the tea amount, who has to pay me the rice amount. Yeah, who has to pay me the particular ingredients or particular package which he took. He has not given me the amount. So the creditor comes in my mind. Are you getting my point, guys? Proprietor is a single owner. Creditor is a person who has kept me, who has not paid me the money, and who has taken it on a 15 days time. Investor, a person who really comes and invests in my company to make my company in a better forum. Yeah, government also helps me to make sure that I have a place where I get my other aspects and everything is comfortable. Yeah, light, everything, all the current and everything. That's again a communication. Other agencies are also involved in many things. We have to make sure that everything is perfect for assembling a particular shop or a particular place. Whether we are really taking a house for rent, we have to make sure everything is pakka. That's called a accounting, language of business. Nothing but communication. If you are not going to communicate, you will not be able to get any information from other side. Yeah, communication is very important. Are you clear with this word? The proprietor, the investor, the creditor, the government, and other agencies. Okay, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you
Yes, ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I'm going back with my next slide. Yeah, so the next slide is objectives of accounting. Objectives of accounting, again from the previous slide, recording of transactions. Each and every transactions in my house, I have to record what is happening, what is not happening, everything, every bit of money in my pocket. When you start earning, you will start recording in your in your small diary. Okay, this much of expense have happened in my salary. This much of expense. So many business entrepreneurs are there in our class. Yeah, they know who's my customer, how much they have to pay, what is my rate and everything. Recording of my transaction is very, very essential. That is nothing but you create your own journal. Yeah, and then I get to know that whether end of the month I get to know whether it is profit or loss. If I have gone on a loss when my product is not sold, yeah, I say it is a loss right now in my in this month, so it has gone in a loss. So profit means I earned a lot. When I have invested this much of amount, I've earned around 25,000. I've invested 20,000. 25,000 was my profit. 5,000 is my profit. What is my profit? 20,000 I invested. 25,000 I earned. So what is my profit? 5,000. Am I right? Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So depiction of financial position. Depiction of financial position is nothing but what is a financial position? Taking in India we are following a financial year, right? Yes. Financial position is talking about the balance sheet. Yes, exactly. As well, before going into the balance sheet, I would like to talk to you about the financial year. Yeah, we have in India we have financial year. What is a financial year in India?
March 30th.
March 31st to
April 1st to March 31st.
April 1st to March 31st.
April
1st to March 31st.
Yes, exactly. But whereas what is a calendar year?
And 1 to December 31st.
Very good. Yeah, a calendar year has been followed not in India right now. I think some organizations are only following calendar year. Yeah, very rare people are following calendar year here in India. But whereas in abroad they are following calendar year, and in India, yes, you have any answer? Financial year has been carried on in the organization. Somebody is giving me an answer. Kindly mute yourself if you're giving me an answer. Yes, ma'am. Please, Dixon, mute yourself. Dixon, mute yourself. Very nice. So many messages. Malabar Gold, ICICI, CCL. What is CCL? Sneha? Okay, fine. So now let me go back. So many questions are there. So many answers are there. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for this thing. Yeah. Now, calculation of profit and loss. Are you getting my point? What I am trying to tell you? 20,000 I've invested. 25,000 I've earned. What is my profit? 5,000. So that is the particular aspect of profit and loss. Now I invest 25,000 and I have earned only 20,000. What is my profit or loss? What is it?
Loss, ma'am. 5,000.
Loss of
5,000.
Yeah. So depiction of financial position, I was coming to tell you to know whether your balance sheet, your company is in profit or loss. Yeah, that is a one particular aspect of financial depiction of financial position. I know whether my company is standing in a proper way or not. Yeah, and why I went into financial year and calendar year is to make sure that as an accountant you should know what is a financial year, what is a calendar year. Please have these type of examples in your mind always. Even in the interview they might ask you such questions. To make information available in various groups and a user at a particular time. What is that called as? To make information available to various groups and users at a particular time. What is that called as? Can I have an answer from your side? To make information and available to various groups.
Financial accounting.
Financial accounting, yeah. But what is financial accounting called in other form? There is another name for that.
Language of the business.
Language of business is not the thing. What is the other thing? It's there in your house. It will be with full of dust.
Bookkeeping.
Diary.
Book of records.
Financial statement, Anand Raman has said. What is that financial statement in a different word?
Ma'am, account book.
Book of records.
Book of records, okay. I am not getting that report. One report is there.
Balance sheet.
Journal entry.
Financial report.
You've just changed it as a
IFRS.
financial statement to financial report. Companies send that.
Balance sheet.
Illa tappana answer, Arun.
Journal entry, that's keeping.
Come out, yeah. Come out with answers. You people are all entrepreneurs earning. What is that? Your company has to know. What is that word which we say?
Income statement.
Income statement. Okay. What is that word?
Auditing.
You're coming closer.
Filing of records.
Can I give you the answer?
Audit report.
Yeah, you're coming little more close. Ah, Snehal has given me the report. Annual report. Very good, Snehal. Yeah, annual report is one particular thing where a company gives in to the everybody, right? A group of information. That is what the slide is talking about. Yeah, where what is it saying? To make information available to various group and user at a particular time. 31st March, till then we are really sitting and doing all the particular closing of our organization, and after that March, what is it, April, May, June. April, May, June, your annual report is published. By August, it will come to your house. You would have seen that annual report of an organization which is coming to your house, which is now in the underneath your table, yeah, with full of dust. You would have seen that annual reports, right? Your mother always gets angry. What is this? A report which is coming, you are not even opening that report and looking at it, and but it is all full dusted. Yeah, so that is what is a particular aspect of a report which is always seen. Are you getting my answer? That's a very good answer, Snehal. I really appreciate. I should like, right? Did I give a like? Yeah, I gave a like for Snehal. Yeah, that's a very nice answer. I appreciate her answer. So she is interacting in the class. She's coming into the forum. Very good. The next thing is objectives of accounting. Are you clear? Maintain records, finding out profit and loss, depiction of financial position, available at all kind of sources. Whatever my information of my company is known to others, that is called as annual report. Yeah, are you getting my aspect?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Yes, why do we need financial accounting? Now we are really going inside the subject. Yeah, so far we were in general. Now we are going inside the subject. Company is here, resource today is here, resource tomorrow, and outsiders. Three particular aspects: investors, employees, suppliers. Yeah, how is this connected? What is it connected? Accounting, financial accounting promotes the exchange of resources. Yeah, it's going to an investor, it's going to the supplier, it's going to the creditor. Resource today, resource tomorrow. This is the particular depiction of a diagram how we are really going ahead with the financial accounting. Are you getting it? If suppose the time is over for the class, please let me know. Yeah. Now coming back into the, are you clear with my depiction of my diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Now we are going into a little more deeper section, accounting definition, AAA accounting, accounting, American Institute of Certified Public Accountant. What he's saying is 1941, before you were born, before I was born, all this definition was created, guys. So accounting is an art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transaction and events which are in a part of at least of a financial character and interpreting the result thereof. Yeah, and the second definition by AAA, American Accounting Association, he made a small change saying that identifying, measuring and communicating economic information to permit informed judgments and decisions by user of the information. Yeah, so this is one of the important definitions. Of course, we will take a discussion about the question paper, whether we should have theory or whether we should have sums. Yeah, all this particular aspect we will get into in a detailed discussion. Accounting concept, please check my YouTube. Hope you have checked it. Have you checked it? In the course plan it was there. Yeah, did you not check or did you not check?
Checked it, ma'am.
Okay. So there you get an explanation about accounting concepts and accounting this thing. I've given a very lay examples and I've uploaded that video in 2013, I think. After that, you are the motivators to have started creating. I started creating again in a YouTube channel. So you people, you bunch 72 are my diamonds or platinums. Yeah, where I started creating again the aspects of video. Yeah, so now this is a complete meaning of your 12 slides is more than enough for today. Going more and more will get into trouble. So I will close the class for right now with my PPT. Yeah, we will not go for our class anymore, right? I think it's time up, right? Time up, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm stopping the recording.